Hmm. I like this song. This is pretty good. Jeez. Right. Here's the thing. I'm trying to see if my Discord notifications are working for when I go live, and it doesn't seem like they are. Okay, I just won't worry about that, and I'll try to do it later, but I definitely wanted to get that, I definitely want to do that sometime here in the future when I do get a chance. You're in online school right now, Samim? Bro, that's pretty good. Online school do be hitting a little different. All right, let me go ahead and just do a little brain dump of the things that I want to do. So I'm just gonna like go ahead and write in my little planner kind of thing here about the things that I need to do, because instead of like me trying to always remember, it's always helpful to just kind of dump it in one place. And I'm going to update Discord channel, update Discord bot, and that'll be for social media pings. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and come on, charge, baby. Charge. There we go. So now I'm going to go ahead and try to at least... I'm going to go ahead and try to post these on my own. But first, guys, let me go ahead and open up my Stream Deck so I have an easier time just switching back and forth through things. Because... it's not really working right now. I'm just saying, it's not really working right now. There you go. There's Stream Deck. Yeah, remind me later, bucko. Okay, so let's go to YouTube and Twitch, and then let me go ahead and put that in my Discord right now. Later, bucko. Okay, so, alright, cool. Everything's working there. Let me just check for YouTube Studios to see if everything's working there. Sorry, I kind of want to get into this like right at 4:30, but it's 4:45, you know? Nothing, no harm in this, you know? All right, cool. So I think I have everything set up. It's been such a while since I streamed, so you know, I'm getting that little rust off, the little rusties. Let me just make this just a tad bit bigger. There we go. So let's go to my computer live stream. Hello guys, we're here now. All right, so so let's say it's a 5:45. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we're gonna be doing some Japanese stuff until, let's say, about 5:15. We'll do a good solid 30 minutes, because as of right now, you know, like as of right now, I started a bit late, so I can't get that solid hour, but doing at least 30 minutes is pretty good. I haven't done Pizzer in a while, so I think I just want to delete this one. Delete this spaghetti. Yes. And I think I just kind of want to go over these guys right here, but like, I kind of want to like reset this, you know what I'm saying? Like to new, because it's just I don't know, like because there's just so many today, like I think I kind of need it reset. Like, I haven't done Anki in such a while. All right. All right. So we're reading Inugami Pal, and so I was doing some work translating this book, and really what I'm going to be doing is just translating this whole book. And we're translating this whole book, and hopefully we learn something. You know what I'm saying? But also I want my Anki on this side, and then actually on the right hand side I'm actually gonna have some translating tools. So I will have wow, how do I not have it here? I'll have jinshow.org, and that website looks like this. So basically when we're gonna go through it here, I'll just put it side by side so you guys can see. So let's get this out of full screen then. So then when we'll go through this, we'll be like, okay, I know this character looks kind of like this one right here, and I'll be like, oh, it's kind of like this one. So then I'll find the singular one of that one, which or I might do this right here, and then I'll be like, okay, but there's also a box, so we'll go ahead and add a box. And theoretically, it's this one right here. And I'll go ahead and search that. And that is Kami, and Kami means God, deity, divine spirit, you know. So that's what I'm gonna be doing on this right-hand side. I'll bring it over for you guys to see once I do that. Because the majority of the time we're gonna be looking at a blank page, right? So I've already translated this whole page. It took me about 3 hours to do. And I thought that was very fun. It was very exciting. It was like a puzzle that I haven't finished. So it was very fun to do that. But also I need my Google Docs, my Google Sheets. Let me go ahead. Put that right here, Google Sheets. And I think I want this stuff right here. So this is the Google Sheet, and actually we'll do it. We'll call it we will call it what the original name is right here, Inugami. And that's what we'll call it, Inugami translation. Okay. Inugami, right there. Evil dog spirited, dog god. So it could either mean dog god or evil dog spirit. Whew. This is also a good song. But I don't think it's a banger, so we'll put it in the stream playlist, not the stream bangers. You know, stream bangers are just for bangers solely bangers. Okay. Next. Oh yeah. I was going to go ahead and translate these guys. And by translate, I mean add them to a deck. So we're going to go ahead, we're gonna go right here. We're gonna go add. Close, we're not adding there. Going here. Man, I kind of forgot to use this program, not gonna lie, it's been so long. That's kind of why I wanted to start over. Let's see. How to reset Funky deck. Yes. How do we do that? What did he say? He said you can study the deck with a filter deck or reschedule them all for today. Then you wouldn't completely lose your progress. Okay, so I guess with the filter deck? So I guess I only want to do like hello. Irigana. Custom study? So how many would he? It's gonna give me 20 new cards. That's kind of a lot. All right. Let's go ahead and just make a new deck. Let me stop procrastinating here. Japanese add. Oh, what is going on? Whoa. Nani o shimasu ka? That's what I have to say. Okay. That's kind of cool. We have basic kana. Alright, cool. So, I forgot how I filtered mine, but if I go to Dex, go to Hiragana, go to options, question mark? Or maybe browse. Yes, it is browse. Alright, so I did it. I did basic kana, I think. Alright. Choose. Kana, Romanji. Alright, cool. So let's go ahead and go to translation, then go back to the Anki. We can close that. We can have this right here. Actually, let's do it like this. So I'll go Control C, Control V, and then right here we will go close one, and then we'll just go Control C, Control V, and then we'll do the second one, Control C, Control V. So this is Ototo, right? I think that's what it is. Ototo. So I'll go here and we'll also add Ototo. Ototo. And then we will add that. Wait, we don't want to add it into a Japanese deck. We want to go add deck name. Deck name is Inugami. Inugami. Translation. Okay. Also, I think I can pop this out, can I not? I kind of forgot how to pop out chat, not gonna lie. Alright, but that is a oh. Alright, cool. So add. And then I'm gonna just close it just to see how it is. This is all hiragana. Preview. Ototo. Ototo. That did not work at all how I wanted it to. That is why we are doing this. Do I put it in between these guys? Um,
取れる。シャツのボタンが取れた。
What? Yo, everything's actually off here. Huh. Oh, so maybe I should do this one, whatever this guy's doing, for these translations. So let's delete this actually. And then we'll do okay. I don't know what the ID is. All right, let's try this again. Control V. O, O, to. Ototo. Ototo. I'll actually be right back. All right. So I think what? Oh, how did I? That makes sense. Is there a way I can ototo? Like I want to hear someone, you know, say ototo. You know what I'm saying? I guess we could just put that in here, or I can do this and then listen to this.
Ototo.
Yeah, ototo. So I guess I will be my own person. Stroke diagram. Are we really doing this? I mean, I guess we can do it. I don't see why there's a problem with showing a stroke diagram. Oh wait, that's not it. Wait, really? I'm just going crazy. This one. We'll just name this ID 1. Okay, cool. I guess we can go ahead and start doing stuff like this. Or can we just save it? It's gonna save as HTML. And cancel. Alright, let's go. And I guess we can have it attached? Question mark? Can I preview this? Well, that took a lot of work for that. I'm just saying, man. I don't think I want to do the thing. Let's just oh my gosh, let's just go with okay, so 125, I can remember that. Ichi. So I can remember that. Ichi. 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 Here, I'll just add it there. Or we can add it in stroke diagram. I don't care. Yeah. Uh, 115? 126. And this one is Hanashi. 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 Oh gosh. Ototo ichi hanashi. Ototo ichi hanashi. Ototo ichi hanashi. So this is what I think. So this is a younger brother, and then this is one, and then this is. So if I put like all this together, I think I don't have a thing, but if I go like this, it goes brother one, and then younger brother episode 1, and I was like, okay, that makes so much sense since this is. This is like this. Like you see how it's like Ototo ichi hanashi right there. So that's younger brother episode 1. Ototo ni hanashi. I think 2's ni. I can't remember. It's ni or ichi ni. Yeah, it's ni. And then we are going to the second one, which this is 127, 126, 120. What the heck? Oh, wait. Okay. Oto ni hanashi. Oto ni hanashi. Oto ni hanashi. Oto ni hanashi. I know this isn't katakana, but you know, I'm just putting it in there because yes. Ni. 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 Oh wait, I forgot. Is this de, right? De? I think that's de. Yeah, that. There. There. Oh wow. This almost looks like Ima. Am I wrong thinking that? That it almost looks like Ima? And it's Nai? Then Nai. I don't know if I said that right. They, right?
Kai. Kai.
Oh, Kai. Really? Kai. This is Ka? Oh my gosh. Wait, what was I thinking? I don't know. Kai. What does Ima look like? Ima. Is that not Ima? Oh no, it's close. But it's going the other way. See, Ima is going to the left. Kai is going to the right. That is very close. Wow. I'm gonna get so stuck on that one time. I'm gonna be like, what? Ima? What? Alright, cool. I think we're on 232. Alright. 132. 31. Yeah, 32. So, what is it? Wait, this one is, I just want to double check. Yeah, the kai.
出会い出会い出会い出会い
出会い
出会い
I just want to check this really quick. De ai. Interesting. So it changes to a ah. So even though it's de kai, it's de ai. De ahí. De ahí. De ahí. De ahí. I have no idea if I'm saying this right, but you know what? We're dealing it, you know. And so where we're getting dai is from here. So it goes ototo ichi hanashi dai. So younger brother, episode 1 encounter. Dai. And this one is 232. Yes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. $233, and this one is Inochi. Ama Inochi?
Inochi.
Yep, Inochi. Inochi. Oh my goodness. All right, let's go into 45. Let's go into 45. I kind of want to just dive a little bit deeper, just a little bit deeper. You know what I'm saying? I also have to leave that. Yes, I do. Let me check one thing really quick, guys, while I'm here. I need to make sure I can get to my place on time. That's why your boy is doing early morning streams, because, you know, your boy got to go to work too, so. What direction? I wanna arrive by 9. So I need to leave at 8:04. Cool. Yep, so everything was going as planned. All right. So Inochi, we're back at Inochi. And Inochi. There we go. And so when I saw, I thought it was called Nama Inochi, right? When I saw Nama Inochi, I was like, yes, the uncooked life force. That's just succulent. But together it's Saimi. I think that's what it is. Saimi. Excuse you. Who said you could be there? Not me.
Life.
Oh, thank you.
生命
Say me.
生命
Say me. Say me. Say me. Bro, say me. Is it me? Yeah, say me. Bro, the MEI. Say me.
生命
Say me.
生命
Say me.
生命
Say me. Say me. Say me.
生命
Say me. Say me. Ooh. All right, this is 233, 234. Yeah. Say me. Say me. Oh, your boy's gonna butcher this one up so badly. Say me. Say me. It's okay. It's okay. I should give you a little better, but you know it's okay. Um, 235. And this one's keep. Keep. Pronunciation? Keep. Seimei Noki. Seimei Noki. Seimei Noki. 236. Seimei Noki. Yeah? Seimei Noki. Seimei Noki. Let me just double check. Seimei Noki.
生命の木
Yep, Seimei Noki. Seimei Noki. Seimei Noki. The Tree of Life. Wait, how do we get to 200? I keep on saying 236, right? Like it's We're at like 136. Oh man, I'm so okay. 237. Well, we'll just keep on going. We'll keep on rolling with it. We'll keep on rolling with the punches. So this one is oh man. Okay boots. Okay boots. Okay bets. Oh man. Boot. No, head bet. Okay bets. Okay bets.
特別
Toko?
特別
This is coal? That's not coal. Coal is
特別
okay bets.
特別
Why does it sound like coal? That's not coal. That's not coal at all.
特別特別特別
Okobetsu. Here, let me just double check. Let me just double check. Oh wait, that was it. Oopsie. Oh, cool. Tokubetsu. Okay. Oh, Kez the one that looks like that goes like this. Right? I think so. Tokubetsu. 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 Ooh. 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 Okay. $237? Are we on now? $238. This is awkward. Tokubetsu. Is this really su? Yeah. Sad child. Sorry for your loss. Su. Su. Ooh, 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 ooh. Wow, we're on already 39. Roku. I kind of like roll my R's by accident, but it's Roku. What the heck? Let me copy this. Get out of here. Roku. Oh wait. Oh. 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 Roku. 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 Now we're at 240? We are! Tokubetsu Furoku. Tokubetsu Furoku. Tokubetsu Furoku. Tokubetsu Furoku. Tokubetsu Furoku. Right? Tokubetsu Furoku.
特別付録
Furoku. See, they roll Furoku. Furoku. not Furoku. Furoku. Like they sort of roll their R's a little bit. Tokubetsu Furoku. Furoku. Like it's just like a single roll. Roku. Tokubetsu Furoku. Ro. Like you're almost touching the tongue of it. Yeah. Anyways, I got a little deep into that one. Tokubetsu Furoku. Tokubetsu Furoku. Tokubetsu Furoku. Tokubetsu Furoku. I think I did that one better. Tokubetsu Furoku. Tokubetsu Furoku. Yeah, I like that one. Maybe it's not pronouncing it right, but yeah. 241. You know what? I could maybe like inu. I forgot how to like. There you go. Oopsie, not that one. That's control. Interesting. Inu. Didn't I could type it. Inu. 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 Oh, this one. Gummy. 242. Orange. I forgot. Oh my gosh. How do I turn it off? Gummy. Oh my gosh, no! Wait, okay, we just go back to English. Gummy. No, I swear I'm in English. Okay, that's how you get to English. Gummy. There we go. There you go. Me. That's not it. Really? Oh, it's caps locks. Interesting. Kami. Kami. Inukami. 243. Inukami. Inukami. Oh yeah, it's Inugami. Wow. Freaking came in clutch. Inugami. 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 $243? 44? Geez, 44. 44, I'm sorry. Oh, and this one was an interesting one. The electricity one. The Ina. Ina. There was like so many things to do with like electricity, so it was very interesting. So I kind of like Ina. Oh. Yo, what's up, RB? Thanks for stopping by real quick, my guy. Man, what the heck? So this one goes here. This one, Control X, Control A, Control V. Yeah, dude, you too. Cause wait, today is Thursday. I mean, have a fun stream tomorrow. Have a fun stream tomorrow. Have a great editing sesh today. 246 question mark? And we're at 246. So this one is, it's interesting how it goes from Ina to Denshi. Isn't that interesting, guys? I thought that was interesting. Denshi, right?
Denshi.
Yeah, Denshi. Denshi. But like it's totally different, so I totally understand why it's like Denshi. Uh, 246, 47. And this one is Han. Denshi Han. 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 Two 248. Denshi Han. Oh, Denshi Ban? Is it Ban? And then that looks like a B.
Denshiban.
Oh, little switch up. Little switch up. Denshiban. 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 I still don't understand how how it changes or why it changes from like a ha to a ga or to like whatever, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. All right, we finished that. That's like right on the dot, man. Right on the dot, 243. So I'm loving this. We got a few words to study, so let's go ahead and study them. We're gonna go ahead and add this into the Japanese. There we go. So let's go with hiragana. I haven't done hiragana in a while, so we're gonna study. See the. Huh? You know what? I don't wanna make another deck, so we're gonna go. Hiragana Anki deck. Gimme it. Gimme, you know? Yeah, see, we love this. We love this. So we're gonna go ahead and delete. Did I also do the katakana? I don't think I did, but let's just double check. I did not. Woo! Let's go ahead and delete this one. Ooh. See, this is the one that I liked before, isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it? Yes, House of Supreme. That one is a banger. That one right there. Slapper just. Mm. Is this one? Ooh. It is one. I'll just open it up. Yeah, but where'd you add it to? Yeah? Are you sure this works now? It does not work.
Yeah.
I want it the other way around. Can we flip it? Because then I'll be like, cool, and then be like, oh yeah. I want to look at it and be like, oh yeah, this is, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, but we are done with this. We are done with this. I just don't like how I wonder if there's a way to do backside first. Is there a way to do backside first?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, so why does the kana go first? Oh my gosh, don't tell me that all the other ones I'm gonna have to. No.
Yeah.
Wait. Okay, cool. Yeah, so why doesn't it do it like that? Anyways, this is Ototo.
Ototo.
Ototo. Ototo. Yeah. Ototo. My hint. Younger brother, little brother, kid brother. Cool. Wiki? We got a wiki for this? Bruh, actually? How's there a wiki? What the? Ichi.
Ichi.
What? There's a wiki? Interesting. Also, I do kind of like the look of the strokes, like, you know, that is nice. All right. So we are done with this currently. I will study my Anki deck later, as I never come back to it. So we'll close that. We'll close this. I'm sorry we didn't get further into the book, but it was long overdue that I need to put that stuff into a doc. So yeah. Wait a second. Wait, I need to find the website. I can't find the website. I thought I bookmarked it, but I guess I didn't. It's making everything just a tad bit harder. But that's okay. So... Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, wait. Before we before we do anything, we have to do today's Wordle. We have to do today's Wordle, okay, guys? We have to do it. We have to. But also I did find the link, so once we're done with that, then we do this. All right, cool. So let's see. Let's start with hello. Okay. Let's go with obtuse. Obtuse? Yeah, obtuse. Oh, that's okay. What's a 5-letter O word? What's a octo? I only know 6-letter O words. This is okay. Hover. Okay, so we got the port. Okay. Toxic. Okay. It has to end with T. It has to end with T. Cause like, water. There's no E though. Phonit? Have you heard of a phonit? Man, I don't. No, you can't just make up random stuff. There's no H, or else I'd go for like ghost. Joe. I'm actually not sure. Man, this one's a little bit tricky. Oh, there's no C though. Donham. I don't know. So what if I just look like words with O and T? Cause like, oh my gosh, is it Abbott? Okay, wait. Okay, that was dumb of me. Like we already knew the O was. Okay, that was super dumb of me. We knew the O was. All right. See, guys, even if I have a word list in front of me, you know. Man. I don't know, man. I'm really like not like the T's at the end. Wait a Wait. Ah, no! Mount? Oh, this is so sad. This is so sad. Your boy was very confused on this one. Yeah, Donut was a good one. Bro, my brain literally just, the T threw me off so hard. I could not think of any T's. Okay. Wait, I want to share this one. All right, cool. So now let's get to the coding portion of today's video. So we're at welcome to free code camp, and we're doing this until like 7:45. Right? No, 7:15. Oh wait, I was supposed to start this at 5. Oh, okay. So we end at 7:15. All right, responsive web design. In this responsive web design certificate, you'll learn the language that developers use to build HTML hypertext markup language for content and CSS for design. First, you'll build a cat photo app to learn the basics of HTML and CSS. Later, you will learn modern techniques like CSS variables by building a penguin, and best practice for accessibility by building web form. Finally, you'll learn how to make a web page that responds to different screen sizes by building a Twitter card with Flexbot and complex blog layouts with CSS Grid. Some browser extensions such as AdBlock and dark mode extensions can interfere with tests. If you face issues, we recommend disabling extensions and modify the content or layout pages while taking the course. All right, basic HTML and HTML5. HTML is a markup language that uses a special syntax or notation to describe the structure of a website to the browser. HTML elements usually have opening and closing tags that surround and give meaning to context. For example, different elements can describe text in a heading, paragraph, or list item. In this course, you'll build a cat photo app to learn some of the most common HTML elements, the building blocks for any web page. All right, so it goes say hello to HTML elements. So, oh. Okay, interesting. I don't know, I saw the thing and I was like, clicky. So, welcome to Free Code Camp's HTML Coding Challenge. This will walk you through web development step by step. First, you'll start by building a simple web page using HTML. You can edit in your code editor, which is embedded into the website. So that's this guy right here. Do you see the code in your code editor? H1 hello, that is HTML element. Solo.2 views free live viewers. No, thank you. Most HTML elements have an opening tag and a closing tag. So it looks like this, H1, closing tag /H1. The only difference between opening and closing is the / after opening bracket. H. Challenge has a test you can run at any time. You do run test button. When you pass all the tests, you'll be prompted to submit your solution and go to the next challenge. To pass onto this challenge, change your H1 element text to say hello world. And that's easy. That's easy enough. Hello world. Test. Nice. All right, cool. So, over the next few lessons, we'll build an HTML5 cat photo web app piece by piece. The H2 element you will be adding in this step will add a level 2 heading to the website page. This element tells the browser about the structure of the website. H1 elements are often used as main headings, while H2 elements are generally used for subheadings. There are also H3, H4, H5, and H6 elements to indicate different levels of subheadings. Add an H2 tag that says cat photo app to create the second HTML element below your hello world H1 element. All right, cool. So we'll go H2, and then what are we writing? We are writing cat photo app, and then we do this /H2. There you go. And let's go ahead and run the test. So you should create an H2 element. Did that. Your H2 element should have a closing tag. Did that. H2 element should have a text. Yep. H2 element should. Yep. Wait. H1 element. Yeah. Okay. All right. P element are preferred elements for paragraphs on website. P is short for paragraph. You can create a paragraph element like this. P. I'm a P tag. Create a P element below your H2 element and give it the text hello paragraph. All right, cool. So P. For example, P not uppercase. Gotcha. So what are we writing? Hello paragraph. And then we do this /E. And then we run the test. All right. Fill in the blanks with a placeholder. Web developers traditionally use lorem ipsum text as placeholder text. The lorem ipsum text is randomly scraped from a famous passage of Cicero. I was gonna say Cicero, but it seems like it would be Cicero. Cicero? I don't know. Either or. Of ancient Rome. Lorem ipsum text has been used as a placeholder text by typesetters since the 16th century, and this tradition continues on the web. Well, 5 centuries is long enough. Since we're building a cat photo app, let's use something called Kitty Ipsum Text. So we're gonna replace, right here, replace text inside your P element with the few words of the Kitty Ipsum Text. I will do that. I will type it out. So we're gonna go Kitty Ipsum Dolor Sit Amet Shed Everywhere. Shed Everywhere. Stretching attack your ankles. Chase the red dot. Hairball, run, catnip, eat the grass, sniff. So Kitty Ipsum Dolores Sit Amet, shed everywhere, stretching, attack your ankles, chase the red dot, hairball, run, catnip, eat the grass, sniff. That looks correct. All right. So commenting is a way you can leave code for developers within your code without affecting the results of the output. This is displayed to end. I'll put that display. Commenting is also a convenient way to make code inactive without having to delete it entirely. Commenting in HTML starts with a left exclamation dash dash, ends with the dash dash right. All right, so uncomment my code. All right. Remember in that order to start comment, you'll need a arrow, exclamation, da da, and to end you'll need a da da da. You will need to end the comment before your H2. So comment out your H1 element and your P paragraph, but not your H2. Okay. So we go bam, dash, oh sorry, dash dash, exclamation point, bam, right? And then we go bam, exclamation point, dash dash, and then dash dash, exclamation point, bam. Oh, it's not exclamation point. That makes a lot more sense. Yeah, I was wondering, like, why is it green still? Our phones don't have much vertical space. Let's remove the unnecessary elements so we can start building Kitty photo app. Delete your H1 so we can have a simple overview. HTML5 introduces more descriptive HTML tags. Sorry, man. That. My body is not liking that I'm coughing this much. All right. HTML5 introduces more descriptive HTML tags. These include main, header, footer, nav, video, article, section, and others. These tags give a description. Oh, goodness gracious. I feel like there's something in my chest right now. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some water. All right. Example usage of main element with two child elements nested inside of it. So main, hello world, hello paragraph, main. Note, many new HTML5 tags and their benefits are covered in the applied accessibility section. So create a second P element with the following kitty ipsum text. All right, cool. Then create a main element and nest those two P elements inside main. All right, cool. So we're gonna go ahead and do P, and then we're gonna go per jump, eat the grass, rip the couch, scratch, Jesus, scratch, sunbathe, shit, every. All right, cool. And then we do and then we're gonna nest these two inside of it. So we're gonna go main. I'm assuming we shift tab, or indent everything. That's what it looks like. An indenting kind of thing. And then, I wonder if this will change if I, you know, like if I just Control X. No, cool. So it's not like other things where you like indent like that. Yeah, doesn't make a difference. All right. All right, you can add images to your website by using the image element add and point to a specific image URL using the SRC attribute. An example of this would be image src equals HTML blah 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 feed cookie blah blah blah. Note that image elements are self-closing. All image elements must have an alt attribute. The text inside the alt attribute is used for screen readers to improve accessibility and is displayed if the image fails to load. Note, if the image is purely decorative, using the alt attribute is best practice. Ideally, the alt attribute should not contain special characters unless needed. Let's add an alt attribute to our image above. Alright, cool. So, let's try to add an image to our website with the existing main element. Insert an image element before the existing P element. Alright, cool. I guess it just wants to like right here. Okay, I hear you. So, image src equals https colon. What the heck is backslash? Oh geez, backslash is on my pinky? What the heck? Wait a second. Oh yeah, it is on my big pinky. That's interesting. Wow, look at that. What a beautiful cat there. And we also need to add an alt, don't we? Equals just copy paste. Is that it? Image should have an src attribute that points the kitty image Okay, within the existing main, insert the image element before the P. Now set the SRC attribute so that it points to the URL. Oh, wait, whoopsie. So he wants to use this one instead. Oh, that's cute. So I don't think I need this alt, because it actually said nothing about alts. Oh wait, actually it didn't. Control Z. The alt is Jesus. All right, cool. Oh my gosh, man, these hiccups are really killing me. All right. H rough equals https colon backslash www.freecatphotoapp.com, and then cat photos. Nice. And then and you know what? I didn't do it. Oopsie. Oh gosh. Oh my goodness. I think I'm gonna stop streaming because this I really can't focus with these hiccups. Actually, I'm gonna push through. Bro, this sucks, man. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I actually want to know which triggers a hiccup. A large meal. Sudden excitement. Okay, it could have been that one. Bro, my hiccups last for a very long time. So it says just here minutes, but I get like right now my throat's starting to hurt because of the hiccups. All right, we can go back to doing the code now. Woo! Getting some socks, guys. I mean, might as well wear a jacket too. Jesus, it's so cold here. Okay. Alright, let's go. Alright, now we can actually talk, guys. Wow. Anchor. Elements can also be used to create internal links to jump to different sections within a web page. To create an internal link, you assign the link's href attribute to a hashtag symbol, plus the value of the ID attribute for the element that you want to internally link to. Usually further down the page. You then need to add the same ID attribute to the element you're linking to. An ID is attributed to uniquely describe. An ID is an attribute that uniquely describes an element. Below is an example of an internal anchor link and its target elements. href, href hashtag contacts header context, h2 ID contacts header contacts. When clicking contacts link, you'll be taken to the section of the web page with the contacts heading element. Change your external link to an internal by changing the href attribute to hashtag footer. And then the text from the hacks. Oh gosh, I apparently still can't talk. So change your external link to an internal href. All right, so we're gonna get rid of this. And I think I could just do it on my own. So we're gonna go href. Wait, what? What was this to? What? Change the external link to an internal link by changing the href attribute to footer and the text from cat photo to jump to bottom. All right, we can do that. So we'll go jump to bottom. Jump to bottom. And then this one right here will be href hashtag footer, and then remove the target blank. Yeah, that's how I was gonna do that. I was like, wait, what the hell is this? Hello? So I think so footer ID equals comma footer, right? I think that's nice. You can nest links with other text elements. So here's a target blank href. Oh, okay, I see. Let's bring this down. Normal text wrapped in a P, and then you got your anchor, and then target is anchor text with a specific specifies where to open the link. The value underscore blank specifies to open a link in a new tab. The href is an anchor. Anchor tag attribute that contains the URL address to the link. A href http : free code bootcamp target blank which means that it's just opening a new thing. But I don't understand how you can just flip and flop, you know? Anyways, the blank with the A element is called an anchor text. It will display or click. href target link to pre-boot camp. Oh. Wait, nest an existing, okay, gotcha. I get it. So we're gonna just go P, and then we can also like have this one just so it's a little bit cleaner for me to look at. And then backslash P. So do not create a new anchor text. The new paragraph should have text view more cat photos where cat photo is linked. Wow, more cat photos. Wonderful. Wait, your A element should not have the text view more. Oh, okay. I get it. So this, Control X, and then this, right? So it just has the href, it should have this blank, and then wait, your A element should have an anchor text of cat photos. Huh? But I thought it said it should never have a yeah, cat photos. Let me just try to remake this. Sorry. So then a text. Okay. So I think right? Look. Wait, actually, that's why. That's why. I see where I went wrong. There we go. Oh, click here to view more cat photos. Ha! I see. I was doing it wrong. I was doing it wrong. All right. Sometimes you want to add a element to your website before you know where they will link. And this is handy when you're changing the behavior of a link using JavaScript, which we'll learn about later. The current value of href is a link that points to http freecatphotoapp.com. Replace the href with a hashtag, also known as a hashtag symbol, to create a dead link. Okay. This is so sad. It doesn't work. All right. You can make elements into links by nesting them within a element. within an A element. Nesting your image within an A element. Okay. So href image. Okay. Gotcha. So place an existing image within an A element. So I can just kind of control C, right? If I'm right. That didn't seem right. Like, why would you want to do that? I mean, I guess you can do that, but just because you can doesn't mean you should. HTML has special elements for creating unordered lists and multi-point style. Unordered list starts with an opening UL element followed by any number of LI elements. Finally, unordered list comes to close with a /UL. For an example, UL, and then LI milk, LI cheese, UL. Would creating a bulletin point style of milk and cheese. Remove the last two P elements, alright. Don't have to tell me twice. Okay. So then, so let me go UL, and then, LI, and then cats love, they love milky, they love milk, right? They also love, being angry. Anger, they love that. And they love pissing you off. This is funny. Sorry. And then after that, /UL. Did I do 2 tabs? I did. How dare me. But honestly, like, it kind of... Uh-oh. I should just stop tabbing because like the site goes wacko every time I do something like that. Look. Oh, okay, not this time. Alright, HTML has another special element to create ordered list or numbered list. Ordered list starts with OL. So unordered list is UL. Alright, cool. Followed by any number of LI elements. Finally, ordered list come close with O. Okay, cool. These cats hate. Alright, cool. So, OL. Then they hate, what do they hate? They hate water. Water. They also hate, yo, Pedikid, how you doing? How are you doing? We're just doing some coding right now, just trying to, you know, just learning stuff in free code camp. So, yeah, they hate water. They hate getting pets from people. Even though they love it, they also hate it. So sometimes they're just like, no, you don't get to touch me. And then they also hate, what else? What else do cats hate? They also hate cucumbers. Bro, on Facebook, just the whole cucumber thing with cats is just hilarious. And then after that, /OL, and I think that should be good. So let's run that. Nice. Now let's create a web form. Input elements are a convenient way to get input from your user. You can create a text input like input type equals text. Note the input elements are self-closing. Create an input element below your list. All right, cool. Let's, if it lets me, are you gonna let me type in here? Or, okay, there we go. So let's just go, input type equals, do I have to put text? Oh, interesting. Okay, did not know that. And then after that, there we go, input type text. Oh, that's cool. Wait, so what if I put like numbers? Oh, wow. Okay, that's cool. That is cool. That is cool. That is very cool. I am loving that. I'm loving that. All right, so placeholder text placeholder text is what is displayed in your input element before your user has inputted anything. You can create placeholder text like so. So input type equals text placeholder. This is a placeholder text. Remember, the input elements are self-closing. Set the placeholder value of your input to cat photo URL. So input text, and then after that we go placeholder equals what do you want me to put? Oh yeah, cat photo URL. And I think that's it because they are self-closing. All right, you can build web forms that actually submit data to a server using nothing more than pure HTML. You can do this by specifying an action attribute on your form element. For example, form action equals / URL where you want to submit form data. and then input, and then form. So we're going to nest an existing input inside a form element and assign HTTP blah, 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 to the action attribute of the form element. Right? I still don't know what forms do. You can do this. Wait, sorry. You can build web form. Oh, web forms. Interesting. I don't necessarily know what a web form is, but interesting. So we're gonna go ahead and go form action equals equals Jesus Christ equals equals, and then we're gonna just copy and paste this. Control C. Hello? Can I get in here? I would like to get in here. Mr. Website. There we go. It takes a minute. It takes a minute. You know, it's just taking us time. Wait, what? I don't understand. Cat photo URL? Wait, you can build web forms that actually submit data to a server. Oh. So I can have this and be like, oh, hey, I want your answers to go into this place right here. Oh, that is so interesting. I love that. Okay, I'm down with it. I'm down with it. And then after that, we'll go form. All right. The existing input element should be nested. It is nested, is it not? Is it not? Okay. Am I crazy or is it not? Yeah, so wait. Let's double check this. So I copied and pasted, so the action should be right. So the existing input should be nested within the form element. So input is in here, okay? And it is in between these two form elements, right? So it is nested in there. Your form should have an action attribute, which is set to this right here. So action, HTTPS, free catphotoapp.com/submit catphoto. Cool. Your form element should have well-formed open and close tags. This is probably where we're going wrong, question mark? I think I did this correct, right? So let's double check. I put from instead of form. Okay, there you go. Yo, oh hi there. Oh, let me grab my computer to learn some HTML and CSS too. Yes, go ahead. So I'm on this website called Free Code Camp right here. And basically I'm literally going straight down the list. This looks like it is very good. Like I'm saying this website looks like it's pretty darn good because it has 300 hours of a whole bunch of different stuff. So even though that I'm just like in the first section, so I'm literally just in say hello. Wait, where am I? I'm right here. And create a form element. And so a lot of these, right, after you're done with all this learning, they'll give you kind of like expanded courses, right? And then they will also give you I saw a YouTube video and it'll give you like kind of like challenges at the end. There we go. Responsive web design project. So you actually have to build this stuff in order to like this is totally hands off. Like this part right here, let me just go into it. Like it'll say, oh, this is what you need to do. Now you need to do it, you know? That's legitimately what you have to do, and they don't give you any hints or anything, or do they? Okay, they do get a hints and gives you help, but it's totally hands off. It's not like this one where it's like, oh yeah, you know, we'll kind of baby you through it. No. It's like, oh yeah, you've learned it, now do it. Kind of like an actual boot camp. So yeah, if you would like to join, hey, this is the time, you know. All right. All right, let's see. So what am I doing now? So let's add a submit button to your form. Click the button. Clicking the button will send the data from your form to the URL you specified within your form's action attribute. Here's an example. Submit button. Button type equals submit. This button submits the form. This button submits the form. Okay. Add a button as the last element of your form within a type to submit, and submit as text. Cool. So we'll just go ahead and do this, and then we will go. This is also not self-closing, which is sad. Button type equals submit. Okay, and then we're gonna close it, and then add a button. Hello? I don't know why it does this. Sometimes it just likes to. There you go. Submit. Oh, nice. Let's do like send. Yeah, I kind of like how that looks. Or like yeah, I like how send looks. Yeah, send looks amazing. And then after that, we will do this / button. There you go. So let's try. Hi. Hello. This is my cat photo. Thank you. We will review your submitted response and reply if needed. I love that. Oh yes. I don't want to go into debt from a boot camp and from the pre-course work I've done for Thinkful Bootcamp. Pretty much was reading documents and was doing the work. I can definitely do the majority of the work on my own. Yeah, that makes sense. I totally understand what you're saying, because yeah, boot camps be expensive. Like I was looking at let's see. I was looking at this one right here, developerbootcamp.com. And you know, it's like if you want to learn C#, it's like $6,000. If you really want to get like all the courses, it's $12,000. And I was like, yikes. And that's just from like a small portion of it. You know, if I really want to be like a Java developer, man, it's gonna be over $20,000. So I was just like, you know what, how about I just wet my feet a little bit, just a tiny bit, and just try to learn this on my own and see where I can get, because I know there's been a lot of people that have learned it on their own, but it does take time and dedication. So I want to go ahead and, I guess, show up every morning to do this, like at least for an hour or two, you know. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Yeah, exactly. I can do the majority of the work on my own. All right, so we're gonna also close these out because I don't need these guys. All right, so did I send the button? Yes, I did. Run the test. Wait, your submit button should only have the text. No, I wanted to have it send. No, no, I want it to be send. All right, cool. That's fine. Oh, yo, it's Pineapple. How are you doing, Pineapple? I'm an ex-computer science student and somehow made it through Java and C++. Oh, damn. I mean, good for you. I'm excited. I'm excited for you, and your journey, I guess. Yeah, Pineapple, I'm doing amazing. Yeah, I'm just doing good. I'm chilling. I did a little bit of Japanese this morning. Did a little bit of I'm doing a little bit of coding right now, and then also in between each one I did some Wordles, and I didn't get it, bro. Like my brain just, the T threw me off. The T threw me off, and I was like, bro, what word ends with T? And then like at the end I was like, oh my god, donut, duh. And I was 100% sure it would be donut because my brain just couldn't think of any words that ended with T. So yeah, that's how my morning went. But yeah, we're gonna keep on going and do this. Yo, so Introspective Samurai. So does that mean you already have your computer science degree, or did you drop out and then you're trying to do the rest of it on your own? So like, do you have a computer science associate's degree, or like what's going on there? Because I'm really interested. Because like, how was your experience in the school? Use HTML5 to require a field. I tried coding a couple years back, but I did not have the patience for LML. Dude, honestly, Pineapple, yeah, that's I totally understand, bro. There was one time that I was coding in C++, and Jesus Christ, man, I spent 2 days struggling over like what my code was doing wrong, and basically I missed a semicolon. In C++ didn't say that I missed a semicolon, so that threw me off, because usually if you do miss a semicolon, it's like, oh, we can't run, you missed a semicolon, you know. And so it just was like, no, this time we can run. And so I was like scraping through my entire code, and I freaking found the single semicolon, and then I was just like, so I definitely understand what you mean, Pineapple. So my associate's degree is in information system, but I crammed a bunch of programming course into my schedule. Interesting. So are you in college right now, Introspective Samurai? Or what's going on there? Also, guys, I need to use the bathroom, so I'll be back really quick. So while you type that out, Introspective Samurai, I'm gonna use the bathroom. All right. Okay, so programming. I left because I didn't want to take out a ton of loans. It was my junior year. Damn. Really? That's like that. You were almost done. You were almost done, Samurai. You were almost done. You were like right there. You had one more year, Samurai. Yeah. I mean, okay, I understand taking out all the loans, but like, you were almost there. You were so close. Oh my gosh. No, I totally understand. I'm not dogging you. I'm not like being like, oh, you should have done that. You know, no. But I was just, you know. Oh. I take back everything. I take back everything. Holy shit. Jesus, why? What? That's a lot. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That makes me cry. That makes me cry. Samurai. Ah, Jesus Christ. Oh my. Wait, I did not know. Okay, wait. Wait a second. Why? What? Okay, you know what? I understood that college debt was like, you know, massive, but like, are you 80K in college loans? Wait, because I knew college debt was massive, but I thought it would be like, you know, 20 to like, the fact that I'm saying only 20 to 50,000 is absurd. Okay. Yeah, see, that's the range. That's the range that I would have been at 80K. Okay, dude, I totally understand. Or dude or girl, you know, whatever. I totally understand. That is freaking yeah, that would have been too much. And the fact that, I don't know, the fact that I'm saying only 20K makes it my brain is just like, you know, exploding. Pineapple, you said computers are like talking to a genie, but it takes everything you say at face value. So if you mess up one word, it screws up everything. That is totally 100% true. 100% true. All right, so let me finish up. I think I want to finish up this thing because I do have to go to work in like, what, it's 7:10, so like maybe 20 minutes. So I do want to finish this up so I can like start getting ready. But most of my learning was coming from hackathons and mini internships I've had. You know, that makes sense. I feel like the best experience is actual experience, not in school. I mean, I feel like school can teach you like the, you know, basic stuff, but like once you get put into like an actual job setting, you're like, how do I apply this, you know? And that's what I think. Because I've learned a lot of things, like a ton of different things without being in school. But I think school's really good if for the things you can't really mess up, you know, like I wouldn't want a surgeon or a doctor, you know, that was just like, oh yeah, I just kind of my way through through life and got this doctor position, you know, like I would be like, oh, I mean, you do you, but like, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, 100%, because you're all there by association. And you're spending 4 to 6 years with all those people? Yes, 100%. I could definitely see that. But also, like, when you get out of school, you might have a harder time connecting with those, because I know keeping a friendship is harder when you're not with people by association, because you actually have to schedule and then you actually have to commit to being like, oh yeah, I'm gonna do this with you, instead of just like randomly chatting, you know, when you're hanging out together. Oh my gosh, my hiccups are back. I'm gonna, anyways. All right, let me connect. Oh my goodness, Jesus. I like messing around with computers and stuff, but coding is just a whole other thing. Bro, I feel you 100%. All right, let me just dude, I don't know if I ever told you guys, but like hiccups wreck my day. Like it really does. It hurts a lot when I get hiccups. So let me just finish this code up, and then after that, I think I'm gonna end stream. But tomorrow around the same time, from like 4 to what did I put? Like 4:30 to 7:30, I'll be streaming tomorrow. So PST, by the way. So if you're available, come up in. We'll do some more coding and Japanese learnings and all that jazz. But let me finish this up. So you can require specific form fields so that your user will not be able to submit your form until he or she has filled them out. For example, if you want to make a text input field required, you can just add required within your input element like this: input type text required. Make your input a required field so that your user can't submit a form without completing the field. Then try submitting the form without inputting anything. See how your HTML5 form notifies you that the field is required. All right, cool. So we just put required at the end of this. Required. All right, cool. That did not work. Oopsie. required. Hey. Oh, this is the button. My bad. Nice. Please fill out the form. Okay. Hello, kitty. All right, cool. It works. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Wait, actually, we're gonna finish this. We're gonna finish this because my hiccups are kind of like going. They're never mind. They're kind of going away, but we're 75% done. I really want to finish this. All right. Wait. Let's 7:13. Let's try to power through this. Let's try to power through this here. You can always use radio buttons. Radio buttons, interesting. Radio buttons for questions where you want the user to only give you one answer out of multiple answers. Radio buttons are a type of input. Each of the radio buttons can be nested within its own label element by wrapping an input element of a label element. It will automatically associate the radio button input with the label element surrounding it. Jesus Christ, man. And now it froze. Okay. All related radio buttons should have the same name attribute. To create a radio button group, by creating a radio group, selecting any single radio button will automatically deselect the other buttons with the same group, ensuring only one answer is provided by the user. Here's an example of radio buttons. Label, input, type, radio, name, indoor, outdoor, indoor. That made no sense to me. So is it making you choose indoor? And then label. It is considered best practice for attribute on the label element with a value that matches the value of the ID attribute of the input element. This allows technologies to create a link relationship between the label and the related input element. For example, input ID indoor, type radio, name indoor outdoor, label for indoor, or label. All right, this is making no sense to me. We can also nest the input element with label tags. So label for equals indoor, input equals indoor, type radio, name indoor outdoor, indoor label. Add a pair of radio buttons to your form, each nested its own label element. One should have the option of indoor and the other should have the option of outdoor. Both share the same name attribute, indoor outdoor, to create a radio group. All right, so I'm assuming we put two label things in here, right? So we kind of just go like label, right? And then we go input type equals radio, And then the name is equal to indoor, outdoor. And then this one is indoor. And then we have another input. I think, I'm not really sure. Type equals radio. Excuse me. And then name equals indoor, outdoor. This one is outdoor. Right? Oh, that's cool. I love it. I love it. That's cool. Okay. So we did it. It froze again. Oh wait, each of your two radio button elements should be nested in its own label element. Really? Why is that? Okay. Oh wait, and I didn't even finish the label. Oh, it should be within the, wait, each of your radio elements should be added within the form tag. Oh, because we want it to be, okay, I understand. And then label, because we want to send this to, the thing. That doesn't look right. We're just gonna X. And let's do it before. Let's do it before, like right here. You know what I'm saying? Right? I think that's what I'm thinking, you know? Okay, so we do have to have it in its own label thing. So then we go label, and then input. Oh, we can just, there we go. And then after that we go / label. Nice. All right, I'm actually gonna end it there. Sad we didn't get close to it, but we can always finish it tomorrow. I'm assuming we can. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it so much. It was fun. You could even say it's real fun. So thank you guys for watching.